I have found the perfect wireless DeX setup. It's the best I've ever used. Let's go. Longtime sponsor of the channel, uPerfect, have made some impressive displays for my use case with Samsung DeX. Whether it be laptops, whether it be portable monitors, they've got options that I loved and took advantage of. But this is by far my favorite option. This is the U3V, a completely wireless monitor that connects to DeX without any cables required. It is phenomenal. Let's meet what makes it great so you can maybe experience it too for yourself. It's incredibly lightweight, which makes it insanely portable to take on the go. It has heaps of ports that you might want to take advantage of. A headphone jack, 2 USB-C ports, and a mini HDMI port as well. And all the cables that you need come right in the box. It's a full HD display, but it's got like a nice matte finish, which helps with anti-reflectivity, and I've been using it outdoors a lot, and it is amazing. You've got a charger in the box too, as well as a foldable keyboard to truly complete that on-the-go sort of portable, lightweight setup. I also like the carry case that has been provided too, because you pop that display into the carry case and take it around, and you've got an incredible setup that's easy to take with you everywhere. Now, like I said, it does have ports, so you can connect this up via cables, but that's not the impressive part for me. It has all of the wireless connectivity that you could want to get your device connected to it without the cables at all. And it's got the native options for every platform built into it, whether it be for Android, whether it be for Windows, or even a Mac. You can connect any device to this wirelessly and then use it as a monitor, whether it be for your phone or for your laptop. Once you turn it on, all the instructions are laid out for you. It tells you for which platform what you need to do, and then you connect it and you have no cables and you have a monitor that you can move around anywhere. Samsung DeX is the easiest one. You simply just select wireless DeX from your quick panel menu, select the monitor, and it's done. But I've had this for a bit of time now, and as you've seen, I've also been using the MacBook Neo for productivity, and that's just as easy to connect because the instructions are there. You pair it up, and then you've got a second display for your Neo. Having the option to have the MacBook Neo be a dual screen setup, very, very powerful indeed. But that's how you set it up and use it. What's it actually like to use day to day? Because I've used this thing a lot. It's actually incredibly fun to know I've got this, especially for DeX. Because I just need to have this in my pocket and then that carried around in the bag. Everywhere I go, I've got a portable PC setup. It's very frictionless to set up too. You just power on the monitor, select wireless DeX, no cables or anything to plug in. And if you've got a Bluetooth keyboard, you're away, which you do with the foldable one. There's no cables needed. It's not going to take up a lot of room. It's very, very easy. The first morning I took this thing out, I went to my son's agility training. He does some training at this strength gym, and the parents are invited to stay, and there's not a lot of space to work. But with this, you find some space and you've got a desk set up anywhere you go. Whether it be sitting there outdoors or whether taking it inside and standing up, I've got the option to take this thing with me easily and set it up anywhere. The battery is really impressive as well because, again, it's running purely off battery. There is no cables or anything needed. It only dropped 3% in the time I was using it whilst I was there. That was whilst I used it paired to the Neo and also through DeX. I went back there this morning actually to do the same sort of session, and there was a coffee shop across the road, which I took this to. Having that option to sit there at the desk with my coffee, the monitor, that anti-reflective display was incredible, by the way. It was, again, just so powerful. As a YouTuber, you don't just have filming and editing. You've got admin, emails to respond to and everything like that. And when I was deciding the other morning whether I'd take the Neo or DeX, I chose DeX because of this thing. I can take it out of the office and then means I can set up on the dining table in the main part of the house. Sunlight around, it was a bright day like today. The anti-reflective screen was incredible to be able to see everything I was doing on there. Setup is easy, and it's liberating knowing that all the work that you're getting done is actually being done on your phone. And because you can still use your phone at the same time as well. You don't lose access to your phone interactions because it's connected via DeX. Or you can use it as a trackpad should you want to. And the new DeX is really good too because it gives you the option to have different workflows, whether you've got desktop 1 for productivity or whether you've got desktop 2 for entertainment. You can switch between them and you can have different things set up so you're not getting interrupted on one desktop and the other. But what's also really cool, like I said, you can have DeX set up for entertainment. This is the perfect portable monitor for entertainment. The option to cast DeX to this and use all the streaming platforms in that way is actually a really powerful tool. I've used it a couple of times so far where I've watched the football on it whilst I've been out and about, and that's been really good. But I am going to a wedding next week in Rockhampton, and I imagine this is going to be very, very good in the hotel. Okay, so this monitor is going to come with me now traveling. So document it, see how we go with it. I want to see how it goes for entertainment. I want to see how it goes for Samsung DeX. There's a lot that I really want to use this for, and I need to take it with me. So let's chuck the monitor in. Let's chuck the keyboard in as well. And let's get going. I arrived at a cold, wet and rainy Nerang train station, which I was finding to live up to its reputation. Why would they do that? Of course, it stops raining the second I step onto the platform. Great. The train arrived and I took my seat and got comfortable, and I made sure to take some time first to enjoy a bit of a beverage because it was a long journey. I pulled the monitor out of my bag because I wanted to make sure I could enjoy the journey with some relaxing entertainment. And to do that, I made sure I connected through wireless DeX because that was the best way to do it. To watch my content, you obviously needed to not distract the other passengers, so I got my Buds 3 Fan Edition. Yes, I still use these, they are amazing. And I watched some YouTube. I also did a bit of work on my lap, watched some football highlights, Messi scored some goals, and I sat down and watched Suits on Netflix. Before you know it, I was at the airport, had the time to get off the train, and then soak in the beautiful day that was Brisbane. Beautiful weather. So far so good using this, just on the train ride up even. I'm about to get settled into the lounge and do a bit more with it, maybe. But on the train, it was predominantly an entertainment vehicle. So set it up on my bag, connected DeX wirelessly, launched YouTube, watched some videos, which was great. But what I am getting used to is finding new ways to use it. I did try some productivity on the train with it and the keyboard on my lap, and that kind of gave you a bit of freedom because it means you can position the screen sort of anywhere you want and you don't have to worry about the viewing angle. You can kind of change it as needed. Then I sort of watched a bit of Netflix and I discovered a huge hack because of the hook angle thing that adjusts on the back. It was great on the lap, but then I discovered I could hang it off the chair, which I wish I found out much earlier because it was right at the end of the train ride. But in any case, it was really handy to have this thing. Great for anti-reflectivity as well. Watching content with the train window right there meant I could still view it without being interrupted. And then it was just easy enough to pack away. So far so good, but I've got the lounge and the plane ride to go with it. And then once I get to the hotel, which is probably the most use case I'm going to have for it, I think I'll find the best of it. Max and I arrived at the lounge at the airport, and the first thing we made sure to do was head to the bar and grab a delicious beverage to relax to. Thank you very much. Cheers, bro. Max made sure to get his business in, and I wanted to show him how the device worked. This is the monitor. All right, so I hit it also can be a wireless monitor for the macOS. So
good, so people will actually use it.
Huh?
Just kidding. Samsung use it. Good.
Yeah. Anyway, then I'll launch DeX, and then that's DeX. Get out of Netflix. Yeah, now I've got my full DeX operating system completely wireless.
That is so good.
Yeah. The more I showed Max how this thing works, the more he was impressed and wanted to actually get one for himself.
I like stubby callers, but like the good ones.
I then did some emailing for myself. I also worked on my merch store that's going to be launching soon through my website. And I also remembered that I could use this with the MacBook Neo and use it wirelessly because you can have it as a second screen with no cables. And I must say, the feeling of having a proper dual screen setup was amazing with no cables. Then it was Max's turn. Let's see if Max can do it. Did it work?
Yeah, I'm just going to hide my bank account from the company.
Good idea.
It did.
How cool is that?
That's
is it extended or is it just mirrored?
It's mirrored.
You can change it to extend, so it gives you the full...
Mirror extend, yeah. Oh, I just turned it off.
Noob.
I'll try that again. Oh, it remembers. It remembers.
Is that your bank account again?
Nope. Oh, yeah, gotcha. Window extend display. That's cool. I love that.
Is it extended yet?
I'm playing with it, but no.
Okay.
Now I've extended it.
Yeah, now you got a dual screen wireless monitor.
I do like that.
Impressed?
I am impressed. I'm impressed. I do like that.
Yeah. Then it was time for our flight, and we needed to board it to Rockhampton. And we made sure to fly business class.
That's business class, baby.
It's the only way.
Whilst I was enjoying the fruits of business class with all of the extra legroom that I had,
It's actually like too much sometimes.
Yeah, I don't know what to do.
I also made sure to check all the compartments because I'd never flown business class before and didn't know what to expect.
There is that there.
Yeah.
Oh, for bottles.
There was nifty little compartments and buttons everywhere. The great thing with this is it's basically treated like a tablet, so I can prop it up on my lap before the seatbelt sign goes off, but then I can also use it on the tray table and watch content with the stand as well. And I was able to multitask with DeX, and then I just wanted to relax and enjoy the fruits of business class that I was enjoying. We finally arrived after a long drive at our apartment as well, because it was a long drive, and we made sure to wind down and relax with some gaming with COD using an ASUS laptop that I've been testing. Okay, so it's the evening. I've been at the apartment or traveling all day. I used the thing at the lounge quite a bit. Very, very functional, but I loved using it on the plane. Honestly, having the duality of having Samsung DeX run as both productivity and entertainment, mostly at the same time too. Like I was able to use it both at the same time with split screen, the keyboard typing on one side, watching Suits on Netflix on the other. Like super functional, super practical, but also very comfortable. And then there's the added fact that my phone will still be able to be used as well, means that it's just incredible. Now I know you could do the same with a tablet. The thing with a tablet though is it's way more expensive and doesn't have the kickstand included. This thing's super light. Honestly, I kept showing it to Max and he was very, very impressed. Tonight we've just done a bit of gaming, so we haven't really used it, but this is where something like this comes in handy, because in my apartment room, my bedroom, there's no TV. So I'm gonna use it right now to watch some shows before I drift off to sleep, and just prop it up somewhere on the bed and I'll do that. So yeah, I'm loving this thing and loving taking it for traveling. It's like the perfect little travel companion, because not only do you get to use it as a productivity device, but you've got the duality of it being entertainment as well. Something that also caught my eye, or that I remembered as I was using it, is DeX in portrait mode. This changed how I saw this as well. I flicked it over and I opened YouTube Shorts to be specific. And the fact that you can use this as a big scrolling thing for reels or shorts or anything like that, again, gives you an extra use case for this thing. The speakers are quite good for a display that's this lightweight and portable as well, so you can take advantage of that.
$10 air purifier all the way to $1,000 air purifier. Okay, $10 purifier. Let's fill this up with smoke and then see how much it can clear in 5 minutes. 3, 2, 1. And that is doing absolutely nothing. That was a complete failure.
And that gives you the duality of what this display can be used for, which matches the duality of DeX. DeX can be for productivity and also for entertainment, and this display can suit that as well. I actually noticed that the latency for DeX increased quite a bit. When I checked the refresh rate, it was running at 60 Hz wirelessly, which I was impressed with. The display actually has a super impressive battery life. As I mentioned earlier, it only lost 3% in that first usage, and the next one I used it for a bit longer, and it only lost about 10 to 15%, which puts it at about 9 hours of continuous usage if you're running DeX straight from 100% to flat, which for me is actually quite perfect. It's just got the perfect setup. Using it in cafes, tick. If you've got minimal space on the cafe desk, you're free to move the monitor around without having to have the keyboard fixed to it. So you can make space for different things, and it's lightweight and portable enough to just move. Using it literally anywhere, tick, because again, it's that minimal setup and takes up minimal space. You can put it in different scenarios and it can work for you. And then if you're traveling, you don't have to use it for productivity. You can just take the display and your phone, and this now becomes your portable monitor for entertainment, as opposed to maybe needing to take a tablet. Wireless DeX plus streaming platforms, it's perfect. It's also inexpensive as an add-on to your actual phone. Something like the MacBook Neo is quite cheap for what it does, but it's still around $1,000. If you have a phone already, in particular a Samsung phone, of course, one that can support Samsung DeX, plus the monitor as well, then that's actually a much cheaper combination than a smartphone and a laptop. If you're interested in this setup, I have left the links for everything you might need down below. I want to thank uPerfect for sponsoring this video and bringing this to my attention. I love it. Make sure you hit subscribe to me because I've got lots of DeX content on the channel already. Go check them out. And of course, there'll be more to come as Samsung keep innovating DeX as time goes on. And I'll see you guys in the next one. You!